So this is our room for Valentine's. Look at the bathroom. It is absolutely huge. Look. That's cute. Little Dakota. Shampoos and conditioners. Awesome big massive shower. This is the Dakota Hotel, and this is the Glasgow one, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
That's the bed with a big massive pillow.
Hello. Hello, audience.
Cute little study area and a big mirror. And hello. And then can't really see it, but that's covered in there. Behind the big thing.
I was expecting rose petals on the bed, but
Another little covered area.
Oh look, Jeremy Kyle.
Can't beat my Jeremy Kyle. I love the artwork. Ooh, and stones outside.
Little cookies.
One.
There's a couple. Don't know what they are though. The almonds and nuts.
Yeah, almonds.
Almonds?
Almonds.
Almonds.
So this is our Valentine's.
It's just your posh English.
Obviously Chris.
Oh look, there's a little tea selection.
Yeah. Got this as a Valentine's gift for me.
Any chocolate?
So yeah, this is bedroom. And there's a Chris.
A Chris. A Chris.
Oh, Chris. What?
I said you will be missed soon enough.
I know.
Hello.